Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pretty much start developing this coffee shop. So, kind of already started moving stuff around. Let's move this out of the way. Let me just move this 12 feet this way. I do that on purpose because I'm going to move it back to the same spot. I'm just going to remember that I moved it 12 feet. So, what I first like to do, especially when I am drafting, I like to, especially in SketchUp, what I like to do is I've made this a component. I like to make a copy of the component. So I'll use the move command and click on move, and I'll drag it on the green, and I'll tap control, the control button. And for the Mac users, it's I believe it's the option button, but you'll see down here it says control equals move. For Mac it says something else. I believe it's option. So anyway, I'll drop it right here. It's fine that way. And then I'll move this back 12 feet. And so what I like to do here is I like to move furniture in here, and I like to study the area to make sure that when I do develop this floor plan, it's going to work out right. So, like these couches right here, I can go ahead and move them and put them, I don't know, here seems like a good spot. So I can move things relatively easy into some decent spots. And that's fine right there. Let's move this here. That seems cool. Let's move this over here. And so I've seen students earlier, notice how this is sinking in. That's because it's grabbed on top. Don't grab the item on top. Just grab it on the side somewhere. And that way it doesn't sink in. And let's just put this by the window. It's fine right there. Again, do the same thing with this. Probably put this here. That's fine. But now I got to start developing this floor plan because we do need a restroom. We do need a storage area. And I'm thinking the storage area needs to be close to here. And we probably could put some merchandise area here. So we could probably move this, I don't know, maybe put about 6 feet of space here. So let's see. Let's see what 6 feet of space looks like. So 6 feet. I'm going to delete this line. So I just really want to see what 6 feet looks like. I like to do these construction lines on purpose. And you know what? That's close enough. You know, we can just delete these. And that's fine. So I realized I don't need this door here anymore. I want to put some shelving here, some shelving here. This gives me plenty of room on this side over here for a bathroom, and then maybe like storage area here. And so let's develop that over here. What I like about making the floor plan a component is I can copy it and mess with the copy. Now notice I said I want to take this door out. So if I zoom in here, hit erase, and erase this door, it's gone over here as well. I don't need this door either, because I want to put a bathroom and a storage space here. So I want to move this or copy this line 6 feet this way. I want to make sure that there's plenty of room. So I'm going to select this line, hit the move command, and I'm going to click and hit control. And that way it makes a copy, kind of like how we did the copy for the floor plan. I'm going to type in 6 feet. Well, it already knows I put it 6 feet. So, and then I'm going to do it again. So since it's already selected and I'm already in the move command, I'm just going to left click, hit control, and then move 6 inches to create the wall. So now, I'm not going to use this entire space as a wall. So I don't need this. These can go. But I do need this line. So move, click, control, and I'll probably, I don't know, 5'6". There we go. And then click again and control. And we'll type in 6 inches. And so we'll hit control again. And left click. I don't know. We'll eyeball it to kind of see where this lands. Okay, so that looks relatively close over there. We can always move it again. So I'm going to click again, hit control, 6 inches. That looks good. So yeah, that's actually not bad. So that's actually perfect. So I'm going to need some doors. But first, let's do some cleanup. So let's erase here. We're going to need to clean this up. So erase these 2 lines because we don't need those. Erase here, 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 and here. We do need doors to get in the bathroom. So I like to draw a line here first because we do need at least 3 inches of wall in order to put a proper door frame. So we're going to do it again. Select this line with the select tool and hit the move command. Click, tap control, and oops, it dropped. Let's try that again. Move, control, and we'll type in 3 inches. There we go. Move, control, move. And we'll do 3 feet. Erase, erase, and there we go. And now we have our bathroom. So this is going to be the door for the bathroom. Now we need a door for this space right here. So same thing. Move, control, 3 inches, Control 36 inches or 3 feet. Erase. Done. We also need, well, I think this area over here could use another door, but I think we'll have to put in a fridge. And so, yeah, this area could be the fridge, there could be a mop sink. So let me close out of this and let's develop this a little bit more. So I'm going to use the rectangle tool and develop a fridge. Yeah, that looks about right for a fridge. So fridges are about 6 feet. And let's do this. Go from the midpoint to the midpoint. Let's copy this line, move, Control 0.5, so 0.5 is half an inch. You do that again. Move, Control, and then left click and drag, and then I'm going to type in 0.5, half an inch. I'm going to erase this middle line, and then I'm going to use the push-pull tool. Push this back. Again, 0.5, half an inch. That'll work. Let's draw a line here to here. Let's push this back. Push this back. Erase this. There we go. And now it's starting to look more like a fridge. There we go. We could put some handles. I'll use the select tool to copy this, so move, Control, and then just move it over. And now I can use the push-pull. Type in 1 for 1 inch. Do the same thing over here, just put on an edge, and voila, I made my refrigerator. And so what I can do is take this and make it a component. Fridge. Done. Now that's a component. Let's make another rectangle. Let's do a mop sink. And there we go. We can push-pull this up. So the push-pull is the letter P. Let's just bring this up 3 inches and make a little circle right here in the middle somewhere. There we go. Let's zoom in closer. Do another one. Push-pull. Let's pull this one up. Pull this one up a little bit. And then pull this one up a little bit. So now it looks like a sink. A floor sink. So what a floor sink is you'll have like your mops bucket and you dump the water in there. You can fill up your mop bucket in there, clean your mop, so we can mop all this area. And there you go. That's looking a lot better. So what about doors? So click right here, that's 3D warehouse, and just type in doors. Don't pick complicated doors. This will crash. So it's a very simple door. And just drop it right there. That looks like it doesn't fit very well. So we can stretch it out. And so we'll use the stretch command. It's the letter S. Notice how it has all these little grips and then they turn red. Grab this right here. Grab this one right here and then bring it down to here, and it stretches it out to the proper size. Done. And there you go. And then you can just make a copy of this door and put it there. And we'll continue. Well, we don't necessarily need to put a door there, but we can put another door here. Alright, so I made a copy of the door, and I'm just going to rotate it. So I'm going to use the rotate command. There we go. And there